Hello everyone, magandang oras sa ating lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys. At kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, share, and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload na mga videos na mayroong magandang kasaysayan at halaga tungkol sa ating mga barya. Guys, ito yung ating coins guys, ang 1 shilling ng Austria. Mayroon taon ng 1960. Share ko sa inyo guys ang napakagandang impormasyon tungkol dito sa baryang ito guys ng Austria. Pusin natin ang video guys para malaman natin ang kahalagan sa baryang ito guys ng Austria. The 1 shilling coin from Austria 1960 was part of the Austrian shilling currency which was in use from 1945 until 2001 before Austria adopted the euro in 2002. The composition of these coins is aluminum bronze, 92% copper, 6% aluminum, 2% nickel. Weight of 4.2 grams. The diameter 21 millimeters and the age of smooth edge. Mint Vienna, Muncie, Ostrich. The verse design features a profile of the young woman wearing a traditional Austrian rahub, a regional headdress from Bregenzer Ward, Coral Woods, the World Republic Ostrich, or Republic of Austria, encircles the fourth street. The reverse design displays the denomination 1 shilling in bold lettering, the year 1960, and inscribed below. A laurel branch is placed alongside the numeral. Historical context: the 1 shilling coin was introduced as part of Austria's post-World War II monetary system. The shilling was reintroduced in 1945 after the Nazi occupation and replaced the Reichsmark. The aluminum bronze composition gave the coin durability while maintaining a gold-like appearance. The rahub headdress depicted on the coins symbolize Austria's cultural heritage and national identity. These coins remain in circulation until 2001 when Austria's transitioned to the euro. It remains a collectible item today. Its value depends on the condition and the rarity. Maraming salamat guys sa panonood at God bless sa ating lahat.